This is video number 6, cloud hands. We've made a few revisions. I've been requested to show it both from the front and rear. So we're going to do this video and hopefully this will help everyone. So if you remember correctly, we have finished part wild horse's mane right. So we're going to reach across, and at the same time this right foot, which is pointing that way, will turn to the front. And then we'll turn our body to the left, turn the wheel, turn it to the right. That's one cycle. We'll do 4 of those. For the sake of time, I'll end here. When you get back to your starting side, the right side, turn the wheel and step to the middle. That would be your final move. Just so you can see what I talk about turning the wheel, as I come back here to this side, turn to the other side, do the same turn, back again, turn. From the rear, part wild horse's mane right. Turn the foot. 1, rotate the ball. Turn. 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 So let's make believe this is the 4th time. We'll rotate once more and step in to the center. We can also have side-to-side stepping. I'll do this from the rear because the hands do the same thing. So again, we have finished here. Reach, turn the foot. As we come across, we step in. Turn the hands over, step out. As we come across, step in. As you get comfortable, we will start to turn the hands and step at the same time. Step, turn. I'll do this 4 more times slowly so you can kind of get the rhythm of it. I'm just touching my toe when I step in. And of course, when you do this one, you'll have to step to the middle to finish. I hope that's helpful for doing the cloud hands, and thank you very much.